Amazing facts about this peak. Look at that, is the first generation peak tram, and then they have these. The fifth one is on now. Good idea. We are a little early, I guess. Wildfire. Guess we are a bit early, and it's a little foggy as well.
Ja? Oh ja, we hadden gewoon bij de 7-Eleven...
Not bad. So this tram goes from here to the
This
tram.
imagination.
Okay. This one?
Yeah. If they don't have mist, it will be like
If
this.
mist is not there, then it will be like
Yeah.
this. Okay, cool.
You will see.
I can't see it now.
Use your imagination.
Okay, what about this? We can sit in this?
The train.
We can sit in this and experience it or no?
You can.
So where I'll meet you then?